Time to enjoy a scrambled egg toasted sandwich. This is relatively easy. All you need to do is scramble your eggs to your desired consistency. For details on scrambled eggs, look up a video in my channel focused on making scrambled eggs perfect, the Appalachian way. Then you can add salt and pepper to your desired preference and add as much or as little of your favorite mayonnaise as desired. I like to add about a teaspoon, just enough to hold the eggs together. Then just stir it until it is all combined very well. Get your favorite toasted bread, place the eggs on there, and you have my Appalachian favorite, not only for breakfast, but for any meal of the day. I hope you will try this soon.